Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all retail traders, and welcome to Easy Trading with WaveWave with Speed Index. This is a very important lesson number 11, because we're going to quantify change in behavior, effort versus result, and we're going to do some range break examples. So, the most popular terms from the masters, Wyckoff and David Weiss, are change in behavior and effort versus result. So, how can we quantify these terms? How can we put some numbers into these concepts? Is that possible? Well, if it was possible, it would be much easier to read the charts. And the answer is yes. I have found a way to quantify these terms, which I will demonstrate later on in this presentation. So what is the answer? The answer is speed index and speed index patterns, Plutus and Plutus reversal. For people that have no knowledge about speed index, they can visit my site, tradethevolumewaves.com, to learn what speed index is and also learn about Plutus and Plutus reversal patterns. So today's focus, using also these concepts and the quantification, will be on range breaks using speed index and speed index patterns. I will show you 11 examples, and then we will go live to see some live examples. So let's start with example 1. This is the 1 hour chart of Australian dollar versus New Zealand, and looking at speed index numbers. Before we look at the speed index numbers, the indicators are the regular indicators which I have created. The first one, this one here, is the no demand, no supply, but I use it only for the weighted volume. This is the Waves PIP wave, and this is the Waves wave with speed index. So how do we identify here the change in behavior? Well, exactly up here we see a speed index of 54.9. That's a change in behavior. Why? Because there is nothing like that all the way to the left. So this is a warning for us. Okay. At the same time, after this change in behavior, we have two patterns forming. Both of them are short. The Plutus short here, the 59 and the 16.6. Remember that the ratio of these two must be greater or equal to 2 in order to confirm, and they should not have broken a significant level. So we are ranging, and the range is 38.2 pips in this case. So what do we do after we see this? We wait. We wait for the exit of the range, and we need to see just before the exit of the range a nice pattern, either Plutus or Plutus reversal. And in this case, we see a Plutus reversal short, and we break. So this will be my entry down here. Okay, as we keep going, we see in another small range that the high speed index numbers are at the top. And this is effort versus result. The price has hard time to move up. So this is how we quantify. Okay, so this move was 125 pips. Let's go to the next example. This is Euro Australian dollar, all right? We are ranging again. That's a big range. It's a messy range. So I would say that this range is close to 200 plus pips. And what do we see? That's a change in behavior. That 59.2 down here, it's a change in behavior. Okay? Then we start going up. So what do we want to see on the break just before the exit? We want to see a pattern. Okay? And the pattern is a Plutus reversal long, right before the break. That's 16.7 with that 40.2. So this 40.3, sorry. So this 40.3 is effort versus result. The price had very hard time to move down. We break, we wait for the 1 hour bar to close and we go long. Okay, and this was the move. 242 pips. Amazing. Next example. Another range. Okay, messy range. So what do we do here? We're going to try to read all these speed indexes? No. We don't have to read the whole range. We're waiting for the exit. And very simply again, look what happened on the exit. That 41.8 and that 223.6 SIs are effort versus result. Price had a very hard time to move up. At the same time, these are forming a Plutus reversal short patterns. One is this one, the 5.8 with the 41.8, and the second one, the 20 with the 223.6. So as long as we break this level, we go short, and price went down. Easy stuff when you quantify these guys' concepts. And Speed Index has done it. Example number 4. We are moving up and down, we're hitting a support level. Okay? So we see a 35.5 and a 3.8. That's a Plutus long pattern. If we break this range. And then after that, we see a Plutus reversal long pattern. The 9.4 with the 22.3. The ratio bigger than 2, the ratio bigger than 2. So what do? We wait for the break of this range on the upside. We wait for the 1 hour bar to close and we go long. The result from here to here, it was 50 pips. Let's go to the next one. Example number 5. We have been trending down. We have hit support from daily. We moved up with a nice upwave. Then, on the retracement, we get a Plutus reversal long pattern right here, the 9.2 and the 20.8, and another one just before the exit of this range. So we're going long. This move, 70 pips. Very nice. Example 6. Okay, what has happened here? We have hitting a fib area at the top. Where's my mouse? Right here, okay. And then we have a Plutus reversal short pattern and another one very close to 2 ratio, 1.99. So this range with the speed index at the top and this pattern at the just before the exit, this is effort versus result. Price hard time to move up. So what do? We break, we go short. 60 pips down to here. Okay, this is a recent example. This is 2 days back, still running. Example number 7. Okay, we are in a messy range. Very messy range. What do we care? To read all these numbers? No. We just care about the exit and maybe a few more if we want to be more sure. But the exit is very obvious. We get a 180.3 SI. That's effort versus result. Price had very hard time to move down. So what do? To confirm that, we wait for the break of this range. We did break, we went long, that's 58 pips. Next example. Maybe I'm going too fast, but I think you can see the video many times. All right. We're going down, then we start going up, back up again, then we start ranging. Another range here. That's a 66 pips range. And what do we see? Just before the exit, two patterns. Plutus short here, 4.7 with a 13, and a Plutus reversal short. So again, same story. It repeats itself so many times, it's unbelievable. I get this every day, okay? So the result here was 160 pips. And on the way down, as you can see, we got another pattern, not on the range, but again, we got another Plutus reversal short. So we went all the way down to here. Example 9. Now that is a messy range, okay? Do we read everything? No, we care about the exit. Okay, so what do we have on the exit? We have two long patterns again, okay? That's a Plutus long, the 35.7 with a 12.2, and a Plutus reversal long. Same story. We wait for the break, enter long, 100 pips. Next example. GBP, JPY, another messy range. Okay, same story again. Okay, what do we have on the exit? Well, where's my mouse? There you go. I'm losing my mouse. So, what do we have on the exit again? Plutus reversal long. And another Plutus reversal long, right here. Result, 135 pips. Here, actually, you can see my actual orders that were placed. Example 11. We're going up. We hit something, probably on the left, and we start ranging again. That 33.5 is a change in behavior. Why? There is nothing like that on the down moves here at all. So this is their first push, okay? That's the first push down. And what do we see just before the exit? A Plutus short pattern. That's 33.5 with a 13.1. SI ratio more than 2. The result, 215 pips. So this is the story. It is very easy to identify both concepts and change in behavior and effort versus results. Let's go to some live examples on MT4 platform. There we go. Here, this is USD JPY. We're going up. Then we see that 113. That's a change in behavior. Let me write this down. This is a change. Sorry. In behavior. All right, that 113. So what do I do? This is my range. Let me make that another color. Okay. And what do I see after the exit? Do I have any patterns? Yes, I have a pattern here. Okay, this is the pattern. At 25.5 with 113. It is a Bluetooth reversal pattern. Reversal pattern. All right. So, what do? Enter on the break. Let's say that we entered here. After the close, this is up to the low, 60 pips. Okay, and then we see after the break, so this is probably going to continue, another Bluetooth reversal short. And this is happening today as we speak on the 4-hour chart. Let's look at another example. USD Swiss. We're coming down. We hit some resistance. And what do we see? We see a 53.5. Nothing like that on the down moves. Okay? So, but we are also ranging. And this is our range. Okay, and this range is about 33 pips. So what do we see before the exit? This is everywhere. Very nice. That is a Bluetooth reversal long pattern. Okay. This one also. The 21 with that 53. It's a Bluetooth reversal long. So we enter long here. And then on the way up, we see that 46 and that 57. That's again a change in behavior. And these are also Bluetooth reversal patterns. So we're probably going to retrace down. And this is exactly what happened. So this is our range. We break, we start going down, and then we hit what? This is some kind of level. Let's see what that is. It's probably a fib. Okay, and this is exactly a fib area. So our first target will be always a fib area, and then we'll see if it will continue. Let's see another one. New Zealand USD. This happened as today as we speak. We are ranging again. And this is our range. Okay. Very nice. So this range is what? It's more like 50 pips. So what do we do here? What do we see on the exit of the range? Just before the exit. Now the waves are not touching properly, but if they were, we should have this here. Okay, and then down. But we see just before the exit, two patterns again, two Bluetooth reversal patterns. There we go. This is the magic of speed index. Okay, these two These are Bluetooth reversal short patterns. Okay, very nice. So we're going short. Actually, I went short on this. And this is running right now 34 something pips. Let's see, another one. Australian dollar GPY. Again, that 82.9. Do you see anything like that on this area? Nothing. What is this? Quantifying effort. Versus result. That's what that is. Okay. At the same time, it's also a pattern. How convenient. Okay. And it is a Bluetooth reversal short. So what do we do? Just go short after this break here. And that's so far 80 pips. Quite nice. Another example, last one. I don't want to get you tired. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, we are again in a messy chart. I would consider this a range, quite huge. All right. How big is it? 114 pips, 115 even more if I take this high. So what do we see? Effort versus result down here. That's 60 SI. There's nothing like that on the down moves here. Okay. And what do we see before the exit? Just before the exit, we have right here a Bluetooth long pattern. Okay, and this was guess what? A Bluetooth reversal long. Okay, the result, let's say that we entered long here, 100 pips. Very nice. So this is it, people, for today. Let me go back to the presentation. Okay. Here we go. So, first of all, I would like to thank you for watching, and I'm really happy to announce that I have found a way to quantify change in behavior and effort versus result. The two patterns which accompany speed index, Bluetooth and Bluetooth reversal, are amazing. And if you would like to see more about this, you can visit my site. I have the strategies. I'm explaining the speed index, and I have a free blog for everybody where I post forecasts every day and actual trades. And you can also, of course, see what other people say, which already are using my indicators. Thank you for watching again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.